Hi, and thank you for joining us for this week's Crafternoon here at the Coronado Public Library. I'm Jacqueline Luna, your Adult Services Librarian, and for this week we'll be making Gelt or gift card holders. Let's get started. In your kit, you should have 2 pages of your outline for your Gelt or gift cards and some ribbon. You'll also need glue, either a glue stick or regular glue, and a pair of scissors. To get started, you're going to go ahead and cut out the outlines for your gift boxes. Go ahead and put one to the side and just work with the first one. Now you can see on here there are some faint dotted lines right here, right on this side, and the same on these sides, and the small one over here as well. To get started, go ahead and find that dotted line and just fold this right down the middle. Make a nice firm crease, and go ahead and unfold it for now. Now, you're going to go ahead and fold along these dotted lines right here. Now, you're not going to be able to just fold it the same way we folded there. You're just going to have to kind of carefully pinch it on either side because it is a curved line. So pinch it down. Same on the other side. And then the same thing on the second page here. So you'll see by folding on those dotted lines, now you have 4 curved flaps. What you'll do is, before we go any further, actually go ahead and fold down this top little dotted line. That is your flap that you'll use to tuck in your thing. So go ahead and fold it and then just leave it open. Take your glue and liberally glue one side of your flaps. And same thing on the other side, of the same side you put the glue on. And now, with your hand inside the box, so you can use your pinky and your other finger as stability for these, close your box with your other unglued flap closing on top of your glue flap, and use your finger inside to press that flap together, and then flip it around and make sure you do the same thing with your glued part right here. Flip that down. If it's too hard to use your finger, if you have like a pencil, you could use that, stick that inside and use that to press down so that you get a nice secured edge. And then you can simply tuck your edge in here and it is all ready to go. So we'll do the same thing on our second piece. Before you put your ribbon on, make sure you fill in your Gelt boxes with whatever you wanted to put them in here. You can put a gift card in here, you can put pieces of Gelt, whatever you'd like. And then you'll simply tie it up with your ribbon. And you are all set with your 2, and you should be able to make 2 more total Gelt holders or gift card holders. Thank you so much for joining us for this week's Crafternoon. Have a wonderful day.